So now, when you take a look at this GBPUSD, there's a minor trend currently on, and this minor trend is a downtrend move. Although the main trend on GBPUSD is an uptrend move, this is the full bigger trend. Remember, we have the minor trend and we have the main trend in markets, right? You would want to know the main trend first, then you would want to know the minor trend. So our main trend on GBPUSD is an uptrend move. But when you take a look at the minor trend right here, you can clearly see that the minor trend is trending to the downside. So this is one of the reasons why if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update, right? So, and also follow the Telegram channel. So you will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now with this our minor trend, market is trending down, right? Now let's do that to our 4-hour time frame. Market is likely to push up one more, drop one more time for it to eventually push up again. Because when you take a look at your 4-hour time frame, market is now starting to trend up, which is our first high. Now here comes our higher low. Then this is the higher high, and now we are getting an higher low right here. So our next movement on GBPUSD will be a bullish move that should form a new higher high. So guys, anticipating for a buy on GBPUSD. If GBPUSD eventually give us the buy, then I will let you guys know what to do next, right? And if in case there's going to be any changes and market does not give us that buy, if in case market starts dropping, still drop more, I'll give you guys an update. So in order for you not to miss out on that update, follow the Telegram. You'll find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.